Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need to know, Bootcamp is not supported on Apple M3, so you will use a virtual machine. First, get a Windows ARM ISO and a license. This is the why compatibility with ARM is required. Next, install Parallels or UTM on macOS. Once done, create a new VM and attach the ISO. Allocate 4 CPU cores, 8 GB RAM, and roughly 50 GB storage to balance speed versus battery life. Make sure virtualization is enabled and move to the installer immediately. Start the VM and walk through the Windows ARM installer. Choose Custom Install to place the system on the VM disk. You must install the hypervisor's guest tools or agents as soon as Windows boots. This provides proper display drivers, network access, and clipboard integration, which is why it matters. Then, fine-tune VM hardware. Enable hardware acceleration if available, assign video memory, configure shared folders, and USB pass-through. Once stable, create a snapshot so you can revert after testing or before big changes. Activate Windows and run Windows Update to get the latest ARM drivers and security patches. This improves stability and performance. Install your apps and adjust power settings to prevent aggressive sleep. Make a snapshot and a backup. This lets you recover quickly. If things go wrong and the VM fails to boot, first verify you used a Windows ARM build and the hypervisor supports Apple Silicon. Then check VM firmware settings and reinstall guest tools. If performance lags, reduce background apps and increase CPU/RAM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.